Welcome to today's tutorial on how to build your own website. In this video, we'll guide you through the process step by step. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience with web development, this project is perfect for you. So, let's get started. Step 1. Choose a platform. The first step in building your website is choosing a platform. There are many options available, but we recommend WordPress as it's one of the most popular and user-friendly platforms. WordPress offers a wide range of customization options, including themes and plugins, which will help you create a unique and professional website. Step 2. Select a domain name and hosting. Once you've chosen your platform, it's time to register a domain name and select a hosting plan. A domain name is the web address people will use to access your website, while hosting refers to the physical location where your website will be stored. Choose a domain name that reflects your brand and is easy to remember. A good domain registrar like GoDaddy or Namecheap can help you with this. Hosting options vary depending on your needs, but a basic plan should be enough for most websites. Step 3. Design your website. Now that you have your domain and hosting, it's time to start designing your website. This is where you can showcase your products and services, create a user-friendly interface, and add all the necessary elements to make your website functional. Step 4. Choose a theme and customize it. A good theme is essential for any website. WordPress offers a wide range of free and premium themes that can help you create a professional and visually appealing website. To customize a theme, simply navigate to the Appearance menu in your WordPress dashboard, then Themes, and select the theme you want to use. This is where you'll find numerous settings and options to modify the design and functionality of your website. Step 5. Add content and features. Once your website is designed, it's time to add content and features. You can create pages and posts to showcase your products and services, create a user-friendly contact form, and add various multimedia elements to make your website more engaging. You can also use plugins to add advanced features like social media sharing, email subscription forms, and more. Step 6. Test and launch your website. Before launching your website, it's important to test it for any bugs or issues. You can use a website testing tool like Google's Webmaster Tools or Site Explorer to find and fix any problems with your website. Once you're satisfied with the functionality and appearance of your website, you can launch it and make it available to the public. In conclusion, building your own website is a straightforward process that allows you to create a unique and professional presence online. By following these steps and using the tips and resources available, you can create a stunning website that meets your needs and exceeds your expectations. So, go ahead and start building your website today, and for more tips, check out our website, which is linked in the description of the video.